In this video I will show you how to show net speed meter on taskbar in Windows 10 and Windows 11 easily. To enable this option you need a software name is net speed meter, link below description. Download and install the software. See the software installed successfully. You can put or move the speed meter anywhere. Press right-click this icon, you can customize your settings. You can change font name and size, also speed meter byte per second from here. You can change theme color from here. See, net speed meter is matching with background color. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.